Hello and welcome back to our health, fitness, and diet channel. In this video, we'll be discussing how to boost your metabolism naturally, 10 simple tips. Having a healthy metabolism is crucial for maintaining a healthy weight, staying energized throughout the day, and preventing various health conditions. If you're someone who has been struggling with a slow metabolism, then this video is perfect for you. We'll be sharing some of the most effective and easy ways to boost your metabolism naturally. 1. Drink plenty of water. Drinking enough water is essential for keeping your body functioning properly, including your metabolism. Dehydration can slow down your metabolism and lead to fatigue and headaches. Therefore, it's recommended to drink at least 8 to 10 glasses of water daily to keep your body hydrated and your metabolism running smoothly. 2. Add protein to your diet. Eating a diet high in protein can help increase your metabolism, as it requires more energy to digest than other macronutrients like carbohydrates or fat. Therefore, adding more protein to your meals can help you burn more calories and boost your metabolism. 3. Strength training. Strength training exercises like weightlifting, push-ups, and squats can help build lean muscle mass, which in turn increases your metabolism. Muscle tissue requires more energy to maintain than fat tissue, which means that the more muscle you have, the more calories you'll burn even when resting. 4. Get enough sleep. Lack of sleep can have a negative impact on your metabolism, as it disrupts the hormones that regulate appetite and metabolism. Getting enough sleep is important for maintaining a healthy metabolism, as well as overall health and well-being. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep per night to keep your metabolism functioning at its best. 5. Eat spicy foods. Spicy foods like chili peppers contain capsaicin, a compound that can help boost your metabolism by increasing your body's temperature and metabolic rate. Adding some spice to your meals can help you burn more calories and boost your metabolism naturally. 6. Reduce stress. Chronic stress can lead to the release of the hormone cortisol, which can slow down your metabolism and lead to weight gain. Finding ways to manage stress, such as meditation, yoga, or deep breathing, can help keep your metabolism functioning properly. 7. Drink green tea. Green tea contains catechins, a type of antioxidant that has been shown to increase metabolism and fat burning. Drinking a cup of green tea daily can help boost your metabolism and improve your overall health. 8. Eat regularly. Skipping meals or going too long without eating can slow down your metabolism as your body goes into starvation mode and starts conserving energy. Eating regular, balanced meals throughout the day can help keep your metabolism running smoothly and prevent overeating. 9. Stay active throughout the day. Being active throughout the day, whether it's through exercise or daily activities, can help keep your metabolism running at its best. Take short walks throughout the day. Use the stairs instead of the elevator, or do some stretching exercises during your breaks to keep your metabolism active. 10. Stay consistent. Finally, staying consistent with your healthy habits is essential for maintaining a healthy metabolism in the long term. Make small changes to your diet and lifestyle, and stick to them consistently to see results. That's it for our video on how to boost your metabolism naturally, 10 simple tips. By following these easy tips, you can help boost your metabolism naturally and achieve your health and fitness goals. Remember, maintaining a healthy metabolism is essential for overall health and well-being, so make sure to prioritize it in your daily life. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this information helpful. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos on health, fitness, and diet. Thank you, and see you in the next video.